Hit the like button and subscribe or else you will never be able to buy your dream. The driver crashed his car in anger. Now whose fault is this? A blind guy could drive better than this guy. Mercedes kissed a still car. What a horrific sight. Road rage caused Audi to smash into a truck. A dancing Mustang crashed after losing control. Road rage taken to another level. Brutal hit on the windscreen. That's the exact definition of being an idiot driver.
I not only enjoyed the experience of being on the show, I really enjoyed the experience of being backstage at the show and getting a glimpse.
Road rage at its peak. A car surrounded by guys who are continuously hitting the car. What a cold mess. Snowy road causes a series of car crashes. Road rage causing the truck driver to smash into the vehicles. Well, it's a break to see luxurious car crash.
Holy Holy
Driving carelessly could lead to such a disaster.
Kid in my car, and you're driving like an asshole and you want to videotape me? You.
Is that all?
Road rage leads to a truck fight. What a save, what a smile, the happiest crash ever. How can anyone drive this bad? A car crash out of stupidity. Road rage caused a car crash.
World Star. World Star.
Africa and road rage are two complementary items. What a crazy woman, Revenge Time 101. Road rage caused a truck to hit a car, causing an accident. Hurry could cause some serious health issues. Road rage causing the car going out of control.
Papi, papi.
Lamborghini crashed while showing off. What a scene of road rage. A hit by car sent another one straight into the footpath. If you want to win an iPhone 11, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications to be entered in the giveaway. Then just simply comment saying that you did. What a stupid driver crashed his car into the train. When Red Bull actually gives you wings.
Is okay. You can see him moving in the car there, and he did get out of the car.
He was shell-shocked.
What would you do if this happens to your new car? Bizarre way to crash. Horrific road accident because of a stupid driver. This woman is the depiction of how much people hate working Mondays. The truck blocked the crossway, and then the woman went crazy over that. Mercedes-Benz and the sidewall, name a better duo. How can the driver not see the roundabout? Blind driving crashes. Showing off could be expensive at times.
Guy in this fucking center. No, no. Oh no.
A car crash turning into an automatic chain reaction. Angry bus driver took revenge by crashing into the overtaking car. Seeing such beauties crash is another sad feelings words can't explain. Monster truck driver scratched away police cars. Don't mess with a skateboarder. Yo. Would you crash your car for this shortcut? Don't you try to get in my way of my favorite taxi. Stupid driver crashed into the sideway.
Send that shit. Yeah, send it.